Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening a browser and signing into your Google account. Once signed in, navigate to Sheets. Google.com or open Drive and choose New Google Sheets. Make sure you're using Chrome or the latest Safari for smooth performance. This prevents odd rendering and extension conflicts. If prompted, allow permissions only when needed. Now create a blank sheet or pick a template. This gets you straight into the workspace where you'll add data and build your structure. Now populate your sheet. Enter headers, then freeze the top row so your labels stay visible as you scroll. Select columns and apply number formats, currency, percent, or date, through format so numbers behave predictably. Use basic formulas like equals sum, b2, b10, or equals if c20, yes, no, and press tab to accept autocomplete. This speeds entry. Once done, use conditional formatting to highlight important values, and make sure to name ranges for easier lookup later. Finally, share your sheet by clicking Share and setting Editor, Commenter, or Viewer permissions. Copy the link and send it. To automate, try add-ons or create an app script, then set triggers for scheduled updates. Make backups with version history before major changes. If something breaks or the sheet lags, clear your browser cache, disable extensions, or open an incognito window to isolate issues. This often fixes syncing problems. If formulas return errors, check ranges, and evaluate formula logic step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.